Hello everyone. I'm Anant Mittal, the author of the book TMUA Simplified. I've started this series, Questions of the Day. Under this series, we will be discussing two more questions today, which are based on arithmetic and geometric progression. So let's start. Now the question says, an arithmetic progression has first term A and common difference D. The first, fifth, and the 17th terms form in that order a geometric progression. Okay, nice. It is also given that the sum of the first 10 terms of arithmetic progression is 6. Okay. It's a classic case of two equations, two variables. What is the sum of the first 6 terms of a geometric progression? Right. So let's do it. Now, it is known that if we express an AP, arithmetic progression, so it is like A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on till A plus n minus 1 into A plus n minus 1. So this is how we express an arithmetic progression. Now, the first term will be A, fifth term will be A plus 4D. Since the nth term is A plus n minus 1D, so fifth term will be A plus 4D. And 17th term likewise will be A plus 16D. Now, this forms a geometric progression. And the definition of geometric progression is the ratio of the consecutive terms remains same. So that means A plus 4D upon A, the ratio of this will be same as A plus 16D upon A plus 4. Now, if I cross multiply, I'm going to get A plus 4D whole square is equals to A into A plus 16, which will give me A square plus 16D square plus 8AD equals to A square plus 16AD. A square gets cancelled, so I will be getting 16D square minus 8AD equals to 0. So if I take 8D common, so it's going to give me 2D minus A equals to 0. Now they've categorically said D cannot be 0. So A is 2D. This is what first relation I've got. They've also told us that the sum of the first terms of an AP is 650. Now the formula for the sum is n by 2, A by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1, 9 into D is 650. Now this will give me a relation 2A plus 9D is equals to 650, 650 by, now this is 5, so it gives the 650 by 5 will be 130. So 130 is what I've got. Now A is equals to 2D. So if I put it here, A is equals to 2D. Have I done it correctly? 5, 530. A plus 9D is 230, right? Now A is equals to 2D. So if I put it here, so 2A into 2D plus 9D is 130. This will give me 13D equals to 130. So D will be 10. Now if D is 10, then A is 20. Right now, so the terms which are in GP will be A, which is 20, then A plus 4D, that is 20 plus 40, 60, plus A plus 16D, that is 20 plus 160, 180. So it is a GP with common ratio 3. So the sum of this will be, the formula that I have is A is 20, and 6, they are asking the sum of 6 terms. So R is 3 to the power 6 minus 1 upon 3 minus 1, which is 2. So finally, I'm going to get, this will be 10 into 3 to the power 6 is 729. 729 minus 1 is 7. It will be 7280. So 7280 is the correct answer. So this is how I can simply do this problem. So 7280 is the correct answer. Right. Now let's discuss one more. It says that let ABC be non-zero real numbers. So which of the following I need to check are which of the following statements are true? If ABC are in arithmetic progression, then 2 to the power A, 2 to the power B, 2 to the power C are in geometric progression. Now to do these questions, it is easy. It is convenient to take numbers and check. So if I suppose take ABC in AP, like I take any three, like 357. Now this gives me 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power, let me put first it, 357 and token AP. So 2 cube, 5 square and 7, 2 square, 2 to the power 3, sorry, 5 to the power 5 or 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 5 and 2 to the power 7. Now if you look at this is a GP, a simple GP because the common ratio is 4, right? So this is a GP. Now if, now let's take three numbers which are in geometric progression. 2 to the power, suppose I say any 2 to the power 6 and 2 to the power 9. So common ratio is 8. So it will be 2 to the power 12. If this is in GP, so I can see that 9, 6, 9 and 12 are in AP with common difference 3. So this is also true. This is true. If ABC are in geometric progression, ABC are in geometric progression. So let's take any three numbers, like suppose I say 6, 12 and 24. So 6 square, 12 square and 24 square, right? Will this be in GP, right? That is what I need to check. Yes. 12 square by 6 square is 2 square. 12 by 6 whole square will be 2 square, which is 4. And 24 by 12 square will also be 2 square, which is 4. So this is also in GP. Now, A square, B square, C square are in geometric progression. Then A, B, C are in geometric progression. Right. Now let's check. So if I say I have 4, right, 16 and 64, they form a GP with common ratio of 4. Now ABC are in geometric progression. Now this is not necessarily correct. Reason, because if I take the square of 4, it gives me both plus minus 2. So I do not know which number to take, 2 or minus 2. Similarly, this will be plus minus 4, this will be plus minus 8. So this is a trap. Many of you will just take 2, 4 and 8 and you conclude, okay, yeah, this is also. So all four of them are correct, but this is not correct. So this is a trap here which you have to be careful, right? So answer is 1, 2 and 3 only. Although there is option all 4, but it's not true, right? The fourth statement is not true, right? Okay. So for more such questions, you can purchase my book, TMUA Simplified, right? It is available on Blue Rose Publication, Amazon and Flipkart. The links to purchase are in bio, right? You can you can buy it from any of the three, but I would prefer Blue Rose because the process will be a little fast, right? So uh, the best thing about this book is that I have incorporated all the theory videos and all the solution videos, right, which you rarely get in a book. Right? Okay, so normally the cost of the book is 4,000. Normally for these videos and video solution, video theory, institutes charge in excess of 60 to 70,000, which I'm giving you totally for 4,000. Right? So see you again for more such questions. Follow questions of the day. Take care. Have a nice day.